does work.
So you said it's how many horsepower?
460.
460 horsepower tow truck. What was your name?
Ian.
Ian. I'm Mike. Nice to
Hi,
meet
Mike.
you.
Pleasure.
And you call this functionally
Restored.
functionally restored.
Everything's new except the paint.
So if I call you up, you can come and tow my truck.
Probably not. Change the interior.
Uh-huh.
When I got it, there were dead animals.
Oh, there you go.
This window has been down for 11 years.
I saw it. I'll vouch for that.
It was one stinky mess.
I like you matched up the container real good.
Yeah. You see, we actually painted that red.
Because it was missing stuff from the previous decal.
And so you said you did this because why?
Because I could.
That's it.
For
huh?
no other reason. Seemed like a good idea at the time.
Yeah, you're that right. I did it because.
It was a fun project. We actually cut it in half. It used to be 2 feet longer. Cut it right in half and took out a 2-foot section of it. It will tow, but it's not insured to tow. But I have a body off a '68 Camaro that I tow. I took it to a car show.
And you tow
Yeah,
as a tow truck.
Yeah. The 68 got way more attention than the tow truck.
So have you had it up at the racetrack? No.
This really
That
is.
would be a sight.
Yes, it would be cool.
I would call this its inaugural trip. This is as far as it's been from home.
Where's home?
Eagle?
Eagle.
Whereabouts?
Do you ever tow anything?
I'm up near Linder and 44.
I'm right off Floating Feather by the middle school.
Oh,
So,
not far away.
no,
Right around the corner, as a matter of fact.
just to the west of there.
I know where all those roads are. All fertilizer.